Hey guys, I'm David Mitchell. I am the car man. I'm at Mark McLarty Ford Lincoln, 4400 Landers Road. We are Arkansas's #1 Ford Lincoln dealer. I'm talking to all you cameras. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. And I'm talking to you. Throughout the month of November, we have a ridiculous promotion going on with the purchase of any F-Series truck, an F-150, an F-250, or an F-350. You know what we're going to do? We're going to give you some big bang. We're going to give away a free Benelli Shotgun with the purchase of any Ford F-Series pickup truck. So what you want to do? You want to come out, you want to bring your trade in, come out and see us. We're 4400 Landers Road in North Little Rock. We are Arkansas's #1 Ford dealership. We are Mark McLarty Ford Lincoln, 4400 Landers Road. My name's David Mitchell. Thanks for playing.